Commodore 64. And this ingenious device right here is the SD2IEC. I opted for the one that has the plastic. Well, let's bring it closer to the camera, shall we? It's made of recycled Commodore plastic, and yes, that's an SD card in there, and it can fit virtually every Commodore 64 title ever released on a single SD card. It's amazing. And alright, let's go ahead. That's probably going to be about as good as I can get the camera there. And let's load up the menu. And I'll go to my favorite programs, go P, Paradroid. And now, like any classic Commodore 64 game, it's going to take a while to load. But, there we go, that looks good. I just played a game of this a moment ago and got somewhere in the vicinity of 2,800 points. I think I can do better. It was important to me to download the program that does not have the trainers on it. So this should, when it starts up, it'll go directly to the main screen. Trainers are handy for fun stuff, but not for getting legitimate high scores. All right, load it up. And let's capture some robots. Not those though, they're pretty low level. Want at least a 300 model. Yeah, work 302. You're good and fast, if nothing else. It's a guaranteed yellow. This one's a guaranteed purple. This is probably a better shot with my little... very few options. That one will stay mine. That one won't necessarily, and that might... Yep, okay, gave me the edge. Awesome. Oops. I think this is going to be really hostile territory, actually. No, maybe not. Yeah, but 615's a problem. Oh, we need you. Take the 711, that'll be even better, right? Both sides look terrible. I'm going to stick with this one on the left side, I guess. So I just took the right. All right. Well, that's going to make things a little more complicated. I'm going to lose this. I have virtually no way to win. I should have stuck with the other side. I need to... This is going to be awful. If I was smart, I'd go to a different level. I'm not going to be able to win this. Well, the left-hand side, maybe? Maybe. Weirder things have happened. Take that, that one, and that one. Well, I could win this, actually. I did win this. That was luck. I'm not going to lie. A little bit of skill, but mostly luck. Yikes! I like you. You shoot big. That's a purple that's guaranteed to be... Yeah. So many decisions. Yellow, 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 yellow. Oh, I lost again. Well, this will at least be a step in the right direction, I suppose. Yeah, we can... Yeah. I'm going to be outgunned, outmatched, etc. But let's stick with this side. And there's a loss. I need to get on a different floor and try to take someone that's a little closer to my level. Servant robot. Sure. At least I deadlocked. Two of those are going to make them my color, so... Alright, yeah, that cleared that area too. Perfect. I'm assuming that just about anything that I would try to grab here is going to be a good thing. Same thing goes. Yeah. Yeah, that works. And nothing else, the 302's got the speed. Been hit. could be dangerous. Paradroid. Yeah, that works. Yellow stays yellow no matter what time. Love the 476. I don't even care that he's a lower number. Another area connected to this one that I haven't knocked out yet. That's almost got to be what's going on. Almost. I've done that before where I thought I cleared everything. It's like, no, apparently not. So we'll come back to this one. Yeah, over on the right hand side, I probably need to go clear that guy. Right through you. Yeah. Should take care of the ones on the other side. Nothing there. Absorb some of that damage. Alright. Yeah, pretty soon I'm going to have to switch from this 476 droid. Yep. It's warning me. Boy, I don't like either one of these sides. But this looks like the lesser of two evils here. Oh, hi. Oh, that hurt, actually. Oops. Oh, death. Lowest score of the day. Alright, so let's go ahead and get that in place here. Ah. Whatever the case, that'll do for us at high score for now.